Photosynthesis is the process where plants convert light energy into chemical energy using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, a sugar, and oxygen. This process is crucial for life on Earth as it provides the basis of the food chain and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Stages of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in two main stages. First one, light-dependent reactions. These reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes within chloroplasts. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, a pigment in the thylakoid membranes. This absorbed energy is used to split water molecules, releasing oxygen, electrons, and hydrogen ions. The electrons move through an electron transport chain, generating ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, which are energy-carrying molecules. Second, light-independent reactions. Calvin's cycle. These reactions occur in the stroma, the space surrounding the thylakoids. The ATP and NADPH produced in the light-dependent reactions are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. This process is a cycle, meaning the molecules used to make glucose are regenerated to be used again.